Zalikal kitabu la rayba fih. This is the book of Allah, Al-Kitab. This is the book. What does it mean? The book of Allah. La rayba fih. There's no doubt in it. No doubt in it about it's being revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then there is no doubt in its contents. Its contents are also above doubt. And its revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is also above doubt. Hudal lil muttaqeen. This is the guidance for the God-fearing. But I discussed this word taqwa in my Sunday lecture. Taqwa, although generally piety, godliness, holiness, different words are used, but actually meanings are to save yourself. Muttaqeen, people who want to save themselves. From what? From the fire of hell, number one, displeasure of Allah, number two, and basically, they have a moral sense within them, and they want to avoid and save themselves from evil. If this moral sense is active within them, then actually they will always be in search of the truth, in search of what we shall do. Those people who had prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, sirat al-lazina anamta alayhim, it was their desire. It was their own search. They wanted to have the guidance. Now actually this is the relationship between Surah Al-Fatiha and Surah Al-Baqarah. You ask for guidance, Hudal lil muttaqeen. This is the guidance. The guidance is being given to you. And these are the don'ts and do's. Do these things. Don't go this way. Go this way and don't do these things. So actually this guidance is given here, Hudal lil muttaqeen. But as I discussed in that lecture, although we find in the 23rd section of this very surah, Hudal lin nas, this has the guidance for all humanity. But you know, only those people will be able to avail of its guidance who have in themselves the search for truth and guidance, who want to have guidance. Who don't want to have any guidance, they will not be able to avail themselves of the guidance that Quran is giving. If somebody is not hungry, he will not look towards any food. That food might be very nourishing and very tasty, but he has no hunger. He can't take it. So actually there should be a hunger. That is actually the need for guidance is taqwa. Because you want to save yourself from going astray. You want to save yourself from evils, from doom on the doomsday. If that desire is there, only then you will be able to avail of the guidance of the Quran.